Hello guys! Today in this video, we shall learn how to make this player tracking in CapCut. So stick to the end and don't forget to hit this subscribe button. First of all, you need to download these texts because they are without background. Links are in the description and pinned comment. Import your text. Use keyframes to track the location of player. Now go to Effects. Apply Glow 2 effect. Set Glow to 100 and Size to 100. If you don't have CapCut Pro, I will tell you to do it without Pro too. So stay till the end. Now apply another glow effect. Set Size to 5 and Glow to 10. Select Object as Overlay on All. You can adjust glow settings according to how you like. Export your clips. Now if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can try this method. Duplicate your text. Now go to Effects. Choose Blur. Set Blur to 100. Now go to Adjust. Go to HSL and set saturation of the same color on HSL as text to max. Now go to Saturation. Set saturation to max. Also set brightness to max. Export your clips. These are the results. Some texts are given in description from where you can download all without background. Comment a player name, and I'll give its download link in description. If you see hype button under my video, just press it for the sake of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.